Okay, so good morning. Our topic for today is about signal flow graph. So we have an example here, a bit complicated. So in the signal flow graph, we can solve this using the so-called Mason's rule. Okay, so we discussed earlier. So, ano ba ang kailangan sa Mason's rule? Anong formula? C over R. Ano ba? Summation of T or P, no? K, delta K over delta. No? What is the meaning of this? Ito lang po ay ang forward path. No, depende kung isa o dalawa. No? Or marami.